In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. If you want to delete any outdated password from your manager, all you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Google. Now here's the tricky part. To access Google Password Manager, you need to select all services first and then scroll until you see Autofill with Google. Click on it and hit Google Password Manager to pick any password you wish to delete. Enter your screen lock, hit the delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!